Please introduce yourself.
Hi ma'am, hi sir. My name is Carmelia. I'm 46 years old. I'm married. I have experience in Singapore and Hong Kong.
What is your name?
My name is Carmelia ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 46.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married ma'am.
Do you have children?
I have 3 children ma'am.
How old your children?
Number 1 is 29 years old. Number 2 is 27 years old. And number 3, 24 years old.
Okay. Where do you experience work before?
I have experience in Singapore 8 years and Hong Kong 2 years, ma'am.
What is your job in Hong Kong and Singapore?
My job is take care children, cooking and general housework, ma'am.
And then in Hong Kong?
In Hong Kong, cooking, general housework and take care children.
Okay. Are you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
You can cook Chinese food?
Can, ma'am.
What do you cook? You can cook.
I can cook pork, chicken, fish, and another, ma'am.
Okay. Are you afraid of dog?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.